Okay, so the first thing I do is print off some text that I might want to use. So this is for a yearbook cover, so I have the year on there. And I just picked the one I want. And there's a couple of ways to do this. So I can use oil pastels or crayons, or I can use pencil. If I use oil pastels or crayons, my transfer is permanent and I can't alter it anyway, like through erasing. And if I use pencil, I can't erase. So we'll do the pencil one first. So what you do is you just kind of see where it is. And you just take your pencil and you rub where you want it nice and dark. Not like this, not like this. Get really dark. And then place it where you want it to go. And a really good practice is to tape it down. That way it stays. Double check where you're at. And then you trace the numbers. Now don't just like draw the numbers, you know, like 2, 0. You have to trace around the font so that you get the font you want. You don't have to color it in yet because like maybe you want it to be not black or penciled colored, or maybe your the specific yearbook cover that we're making, maybe you're painting or using something else. So you might want to leave those letters not black anyway. So you just trace around it very carefully, pressing hard, and it really helps to use like a really sharp pencil. And it's even okay to use pen as long as you're going to like pay attention to what you're doing, because when it transfers, it's going to transfer. Okay, and then I get this going. Almost done. This way you don't have your font on your drawing looking handwritten. It actually will look good. And then just like that, you have some nice font going on. Now, let's say you want to use pastel. I'll just show you what that looks like too. It's the exact same process. So I'll go over this really dark with my pastel where I want it to transfer. Turn it over and place it where I want it to go. And you can even cut these out so you can place it exactly where you want to go. We have a ton of these. And I'm sure if you print your own out, you'll have a ton of them too. And then you just transfer it. Just start tracing it around the font. And remember, pastel is permanent once it gets on the paper. So do take care to go nice and slow. And I'm just going to do 2021 for this one. Okay. And then that transfers just like that. So that's how you can add font to an artwork.